Hello there, my dear friends. I welcome you to the Russian Traders channel. My name is Vladimir, and today we're gonna trade, analyze, and earn some really huge profits. So get ready and fasten your seatbelts, and let's get started.
Russian trader, feel his Russian slide.
Okay, we're gonna start. Well, right now we have $31 on our account, and here let me tell you what do I see. Well, right now we are setting up the amount and opening a buy trade over here. You ask me why, I will answer you right now in a minute. Well, here the thing is that once we reach the alligator, here the intersection, okay, intersection with the jaws, and here is the first sign that we need to open a buy trade. Meanwhile, here we have a downtrend channel, and once the price reached the bottom border of the downtrend channel, it's gonna reverse from it and either go down or go up depending on where the price is. So here we are reversing from the bottom border of the downtrend channel. That is why basically we're gonna go up. And here, if you take a look at the ADX as well, you will see that we have right now the intersection of these two lines, red one and green one, and here basically it is a pretty obvious signal that right now we're gonna probably we're gonna see the change, and they're gonna intersect, and the green line will gonna go up. So here the first one deal is closed, $59 on our account. Well, pretty good beginning of a trader's day. What do you think, guys? Well, basically what do I want to tell you guys? If you think that you lack of theory, or if you think that you lack of practice, I advise you to check out my Telegram channel. The link is down below. The information is absolutely free. It will help you in practicing and coping with trading problems and with misunderstanding and stuff. Okay, so make sure you will check it out. So let's get to the next one trade right now. Well, do we have anything interesting here? Let me see. Well, here we have another one interesting story. Well, right now, we have pretty enough signals that we're gonna open a sell trade at the moment, that the price will gonna go down right now. So here the first one thing is that if you take a look at the alligator, you will see that the price oscillated, and we went from the upper border of the downtrend channel to the middle line, to the upper border again, to the middle line, to the down border, and through the alligator, okay? And right now the price was still oscillating, but it is not gonna break down through the middle line of the channel, and here we're gonna go down right now. So here is the first sign, and the second, I mean the graph itself. And if you take a look at the ADX as well, when we were opening a sell trade, we had that very beginning of the signal that this green line and red line, they started to go closer to each other, okay? If you didn't mention it, then go back and take a look. So right now we already have the intersection here. And yeah, the trade is closed, $110. How do you like it, guys? Well, give me some fire, please, in your comments, because here in Russia it's goddamn fucking cold, okay? Well, but still, we're making pretty good results right now so far. And I think that we can move to the next one trade. Alright, let us see what do we have here. Well, here a bit different story. It is pretty similar to the first hour trade today, and we are opening right now a sell trade. You will ask me why. I'll answer you, because here we are already intersecting the alligator, and moreover we are moving from the upper border of the downtrend channel, okay, and the price is in a reverse, in a rebound, okay, right now. And here if you take a look at the ADX, it is not that obvious basically, although the red line, I mean the sellers are over the buyers right now at the moment. Of course, it's a sign, but not that clear, okay? The situation may change, actually, but in combination, I'm always telling you guys, you should consider these signs and these indicators only in combination, because you cannot only read one indicator and make your decision. It will be not smart, okay? But here in combination, we can conclude that right now the price is going to go down, and that is basically what is happening right now at the moment, right in front of our eyes. And let me remind you really quickly, if you feel like you lack of information, or moreover, if you feel like you have enough theory, by the way, the trade is closed, $204, not bad. If you feel that you have enough theory but you can't start practicing, or you're practicing but not making really good results, make sure to check out the link down below to my Telegram channel. The information is absolutely free, but what's more important, we are giving signals though every single day, so you can take them, use them, apply it, make your profits. Very easy, okay? So make sure you check it out, and right now we're moving on to the next one trade. Right, here we have another one interesting story. We have already the formation of the upgoing trend, okay? And right now we're gonna set amount, 204, everything that we have, of course. This is the risk, but the thing is that the smart trader take risks because he knows that his risk is based on the knowledge and based on the analysis that he made before. So here we made an analysis, and by the way, what I didn't tell you in a previous trade, guys, here when you're working with alligator, consider the direction, okay? So here the lines are going up. That means that in the nearest future we're gonna have the upgoing trend. Yeah, this is the first one. The second one is here that the price correlated, okay, between the upper border of the channel and the middle line, let us say so. But here we have a very strong level of support, I mean the middle line of the channel. That's why basically the price cannot break through it, okay? The second indicator. And if you take it at X, everything is pretty obvious here. Very obvious trend of upgoing division of the price, okay? In the combination, all these indicators gave us pretty obvious picture, okay? And here we got our $394, which is good, okay? So that is basically how it works. I sit down, I make the analysis, then I'm giving the signals into my Telegram chat, and you guys, if you want to practice or make some extra money, okay, for yourself, you just take these signals and apply it, and that's it. Well, that's how it works, guys. So decision is yours. We're moving to the next one trade over here right now. Well, I'm setting up the amount 394, and we're gonna open a buy trade over here right now, because here the picture, you see, maybe you see it already by yourself, but damn, the picture is pretty obvious over here. The 8x is giving us pretty clear signal of upgoing trend right now. I don't know what can be more obvious than this, okay? And here again, the alligator, the direction is also a signal of the upgoing trend. Here also, again, the middle line of the channel is a very strong level of support, and you see the price can't even reach it because it is slightly oscillating only close to the upper border of the channel, okay? And moreover, if we consider the graph itself, we have higher heights, higher lows, which means that the trend is upgoing right now at the moment, and here we only can open a buy trade if you want to make some huge profits right now. So that's basically what's happening. At the moment, we open it for $394. Let us see how much we will have right now, guys. Well, the trade is closed, $748 on our account, not bad, really. I think we can move on to the next one trade, and let us see, maybe we will find anything more interesting than this one, because this one was pretty easy and obvious, okay? Yeah, let us see. Alright, guys, here we have another one interesting story. Well, right now, let us set up the amount. I guess 500 is gonna be enough for here. Actually, yeah, 500 is gonna be enough. Okay, and here the thing is that right now the price is oscillating near the middle line of the channel, but moreover, we have here the intersection at the 8x. You see, this is the moment when they gonna go to the different directions again, or they gonna, oh, already happened at the moment I was talking. But here we already reached the local maximum, I can say, meaning that these two candles were pretty huge ones, but there is not enough power of the buyers to break through the middle line of the channel to go to the closer to the upper border, okay? Well, at least at the moment. When we have such kind of candles at such kind of points, which are strong level of supports or strong level of resistance, this means that once we have two strong green candles, we're gonna have two strong red ones. Oh, not necessary actually, but we're gonna have the answer from the other side, okay? The buyers took the action, then the sellers should take the action, okay? And that is quite normal behavior of the market and of the price on the market, okay? Especially on high volatility markets. And here basically that's what's happening right now, guys. And yeah, the trade is closed, $960, and we have already $1,200 on our account in less than, I don't know, 10 or 15 minutes, something like that. How do you like it, guys? Well, make sure you leave a thumbs up, because I think that's all for today, and make sure you also are subscribed to my channel, because here I'm sharing highly important and useful information with you guys. You see, I'm trying to explain every single movement of the graph, of the price, of the indicators and stuff. And yeah, of course, make sure you check out the link down below to my Telegram channel if you want to make some extra money. This was Russian Trader. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
Russian trader, feel his Russian. Snipe.